सोपो पणजी नगरपालिकेक कठीण जावन रावतलो असो दिसता। जोड संयोजक मारियानो रॉड्रिग्जाच्या फुडारपणाखाला गोवा TMCन सोपो एकठांय करपाच्या घोटाळ्याच्या संदर्भात पणजी पुलिशेत FIR केल्या। पणजी मार्केटांतल्या सोपो कलेक्शनात जाल्ल्या कथित घोटाळ्याची चौकशी करपाक महानगरपालिकेन 3 वांगड्यांची समिती काढल्या। एकठांय केल्ले सोप्याची रक्कम CCPचे तिजोरीत घातल्या। काय ना हाची चौकशी ही समिती करतली। आयकात ट्रोजन डिमेलो आणि मारियानो रॉड्रिगेसाक।
Today we are here with all our TMC leaders, headed by Bob Marian Rodriguez, who is a joint convener. We have Advocate Darshan with us, who has guided us in drafting this complaint. And we have come here to request the police to investigate a very serious scam which has been charged by the ex-mayor and confirmed, very important, confirmed by the CCP commissioner, who has gone and stretched saying that this is going for the last 10-15 years. And definitely under no stretch of imagination, the CCP commissioner is in a position to investigate the scam that is lasting for the last 10-15 years. He does not have the expertise, neither has the machinery. Therefore, we are come here, and we hope that they will register the FIR. After that, we will take the next steps that are required.
Come here, as Sir Rajan has informed you that we have come here to file a complaint, and I think the Goa Police Department has to take this case to its logical end. So we demand on behalf of TMC that much needed action should be taken against those involved in this big scam and fraud of SOPO collection which is happening in the capital of Goa, that's the Panjim city.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, जवार बर्वे आणि संगीता ओली।